Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC, I'm going to go over how you would adjust your side mirrors on your 2016 Kia Sedona. First, you would want your key on in the accessories position, or the car could be started, but either way you want it on in the accessories position. Then you would hit the L for the left side, R for the right side, and then just do your adjustments by hitting left to move it out, right to move it in, up is up, and down is down. And so that's how you make the adjustments for the left. You do the same for the right. And you also have a function here for auto, and this is to bring them in when you're going to park it. And that's it. But that's how you would adjust your mirrors on your 2016 Kia Sedona. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.